Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Barracuda from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. First of all, I'm gonna draw across a curved line for the top part of her mask. At the side, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn downwards. And at the bottom point right there, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, a curved line downwards from this point, back out with a curved line, and an oval shape at that corner, and another one inside of that. And on the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, downwards. I'm gonna draw a similar shape on the left side, but at the side right here, I'm gonna draw a tube coming out with a curved line out, semicircle turn back to the right, and a similar shape at the outer point right here. Below the tube, I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the center, semicircle turn in the middle point, back up on the right side. Inside of the mask, I'm gonna trace the same outline surrounding the inner point right there, and the bottom point as well. Inside of the mask, I'm gonna draw a cross for the eye, like that, and another one for the right eye. Below the eye, I'm gonna draw her mouth with a V shape in the middle, and I'm gonna make a zigzag line to the side and up at the corner. Sharp turn back down, trace the same zigzag line and V shape in the middle, and we're gonna mirror the same shape on the left side as well. And on the right side, I'm gonna draw a line down through this point and another line beside that, all the way to the side of the mask at the bottom. Diagonal turn out at the bottom point right there, and a V shape. Above of the mask, I'm gonna draw a curved line towards the center, and another one on the right, and in the middle, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, semicircle turn back down on the right, turn it sideways, and curved line back to the middle point right there. And at the side on the left, I'm gonna draw her hair with a curved line out, turn it downwards at the side, sharp turn back up. Repeat the same shape again for this other piece of hair at the side, and another piece of hair right there. On the right side, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for the side of her head, and a curved line at the side here, turn it downwards for her ear. Below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line down at that point, and another one on the right. Surrounding the base of the neck is a curved line across right there, and at the side, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn, curved line to the back of the neck, and the same goes to the right side. At the outer point here, I'm gonna trace the line to the side, turn it downwards and back slightly in. We're gonna do the same thing on the left side here, and around the base, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. At this point, I'm gonna draw a few lines down to the left, and below that shape at the side I'm going to draw a diagonal line down, another diagonal line at the side, and a line at the top point. At this point I'm going to draw a circular shape and another one inside of it. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side here, and in between the two circles I'm going to draw a line across and another one below that. On the right side here I'm going to draw a curved line out and down all the way to the sleeve, turn it back to the left side like that, turn it up, and a curved line upwards. Around the sleeve I'm going to draw across a curved line right there, another one right there, and slightly above it as well. And for the patterns on the sleeve I'm going to draw a curved line up at this point, sharp turn down and up, and a line down from this point to that side, and a line down here sideways at the top point, back down and across. On top of that shape I'm going to draw a line up at that point, and at the lower point I'm going to draw across a line right there, and a curved line to the inner line of the arms, and a line down from the inner line all the way to the wrist, and we're gonna make some wavy line along the way downwards at this point, across to the right, and for the outer line a circular shape at this point and a circle inside of that. I'm gonna draw a curved line for the outer line of the arms, a circular shape again at this point, another one inside of it, slightly below that another set of circle at that point, continue the line of the arm downwards to that point. For her thumb I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the side, semicircular turn back up, and sharp turn down all the way to the tip of the finger, semicircular turn back up, a line at the side, another line, and another one. Above the thumb I'm going to draw across the curved line, and the same goes to the other fingers as well. Now going back to the middle point of her outfit, from the lowest point of the circle on the right I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line to the sleeve, another one below that, and then below that in the middle I'm going to draw another circular shape, another one inside of that, a diagonal curved line below that circle to the side of our shirt, turn it downwards, and another curved line diagonally to the lower point right there. I'm gonna copy the same thing on the left side here. And below that I'm gonna draw a curved line down, turn it sideways to the center, semicircular turn downwards, and the same on the right side. And at that point a rectangular shape with diagonal sides like that, and at the side a diagonal line out and down, across and back up and across. Mirror that on the right side here, and a line across at the lower point on both branches. Below that I'm gonna draw a similar diagonal line downwards on both sides, and a line across at the middle point right here, at the side, we're gonna draw a line to the waist, semicircle turn at the side downwards, mirror that on the left side here, curve line across again at this point, leave a gap, continue the line across, and leave a gap again at that point, back across, and around the gap I'm gonna draw a triangular shape like that, and on the left side as well. At the side of the triangular shape, I'm gonna trace the same direction downwards, diagonally down, and at this middle point I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And for the line of the waist, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side here and on the right side as well. Now in the middle of the pants, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there, and I'm gonna continue the line of the diagonal line downwards, turn it slightly straighter at the lower point right there, slightly inwards and across at the lower point right there, and a curved line to the center of the curved line. For the outer line of the leg, I'm gonna take the point at the side of the belt and draw a curved line outwards and down right there, and on the right side we're gonna draw a similar shape, and for the side here, turn it outwards at the outer corner here and sideways, and a curved line at the side right here all the way to that point. Below that, we're going to continue the line of the legs all the way to the knee, and at the side of the knee I'm going to draw a curved line like that, continue the line downwards, below the knee I'm going to flare it out slightly and turn it back in at the ankle point. Below the ankle point we're going to flare it out again all the way to the base, and at the base I'm going to draw a semicircle turn at the side on both the left and right, and a curved line across at the bottom point. Below the knee, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across right here to the right, and another similar line at the lower point right here. Turn it down at the side towards the center, semicircle turn back up to the left, and I'm gonna draw a similar strap across the first one, crisscrossing at the back, and slightly above the base of the shoe I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there. On the left side I'm gonna take this point off center and draw a curved line downwards, curved line at the knee, flare it slightly out below the knee, and back in towards the ankle. and flare it out below the knee, and copy the same shape of the leg on the left side here. For the left arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from this point, semicircle turn at the side with a curved line downwards to the side of the shirt, turn it sideways. A curved line across, another one at that point, and another one next to it. From the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a curved line out towards the elbow, another similar line at the lower point right there, and a line across at the ending point. Outside of that, I'm gonna draw a line sideways, turn it down, and mirror that at this corner right there. A curved line down at that point, a semicircle line across at the elbow point, turn it upwards back to the sleeve. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards towards the glove, turn it sideways with a curved line, sharp turn back up, and I'm gonna draw a circular shape at that point, and another one inside of that, and another set of circle at this point right here. And we're gonna continue the line of the arm all the way to the elbow. At the elbow point here, I'm gonna draw another set of circular shape. At the side of the circular shape, I'm gonna draw a tube with a curved line and another curved line at this inner corner. Copy that for the other circle at the lower point right there. At the side of the wrist, I'm gonna draw a curved line out towards the side of the waist right there, and a curved line at this corner. A circular shape at this outer point, and a curved line above the thumb right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.